What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I didn't realize my camera was in time-lapse mode for this intro, so I'm voicing over it, but we're gonna hop straight into this one. This is episode 2 of the Flip G series, and we gotta figure out the misfire on this car. So let's get into it. Just scanned the car, and it came up with a P0300 random multiple cylinder misfire detected. It's not very helpful. So I got new coil packs and I got new spark plugs for it, and I think I'm just gonna start with taking the coil pack and spark plugs out and looking at them and see what they look like. Hopefully it's simple and it's just like some spark plugs, but yeah, let's dig into it. Took the bolt off this one and decided I just wanted to pop apart. Alright, so just pulled the spark plugs out. They're all shiny and wet with fuel. So, but the way that the coil packs came out and they kind of just like all fell apart, I'm gonna try to put new spark plugs in and then drop new coil packs in, and hopefully the misfire goes away, but it could be leaking injectors. So, I hope it's not that. In my car, this connector goes to the third post, and this one goes here. In my car. Swapped out all the spark plugs in the car. These are what the spark plugs look like. They're all covered in gas, and they just don't look the best. I also swapped out 5 coil packs in the car, with 5 of them that I had laying around that were known good. Went to go start the car up, and it was still misfiring, but it wasn't misfiring as bad. Also, when I was in here and looking at the wiring, the back 2 cylinders, the wiring on them looked flipped. So I came out the car, flipped the 2 wires, and then now it starts perfectly fine. Yeah. Got it running good now. So I think next thing is gonna be clean it up, clean the interior up, and then sell this thing. That's what you call a good flip. We're gonna try to drive the G, see how it feels. First driving the Flip G. Ooh, dang, it's got power steering. Oh, dang, she driving. Brakes sound like crap. Oh, see if we got brake. Oh, brakes suck. Let's see what happened. Oh, it's going. Oh, damn. No, not bad for a $500 car. No check engine light. Yeah. Alright, let's get back to the shop. Just made it back to the shop. Car actually did awesome. It went up and down the road, no problem. It's a good car. Got the Flip G pulled into the shop. Put a new battery in it. Got a new battery up there for it. This thing's running awesome, but it's starting to get late. It's like 9, 10 o'clock at night, so I'm gonna call it a night for tonight. And then next time we come out, I'm gonna clean the interior up, get this thing ready to sell. We made it back out here to the Flip G. We'll be working on this thing again today. We picked up a grill, but honestly, I think this is the wrong one. In the picture he had something sitting on top. So it kind of looked like the grill that was supposed to be for this car, but yeah, that ain't gonna work. So, still no more grill, but put a new battery in it. It still has power, it still starts up, that's good. We gotta throw this thing on the hoist. I gotta break down these wheels because they're not holding the air. And then I also gotta look at these brakes because they're dragging pretty good. This is what I'm working with. That one's pretty locked up. We're gonna break this one down and see what's causing it. There we go. Got the wheel off. Looking at these brakes. Look how thin that back of the rotor is. No brake pad lifts. Yep. That'll do it. Coincidentally for me, I think I had those rotors laying in my basement. A dude I used to work with, son, owned a G37 and he said they didn't fit. He said, but they're for a G chassis. And I measured them this morning, and I think they're gonna fit. Oh yeah. Holy crap, look at that. It's not very good. Up the nose. Check this rotor out. The top side, kind of rusted, you know. Look how razor thin that is. Oh my god. Look at that lip. Yeah, it needs a rotor. Oh, look at that. I had those sitting in my basement for 2 years. I never thought I'd use them. We got both brakes done, both rears. We gotta get these wheels off and break them down on the tire machine because they only hold air about overnight. So there it is. We got the flip G's, rear brakes all put on, so it's not grinding no more. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All we got left to do is clean it and then post it for sale. If you like the series, drop a like, drop a comment down below, tell me what you like the best. Please share this video to anybody that you may know. It'll help me get them out to bigger audiences. With that, till next time.